Good morning. What's up again? Life is a mission, people. What's up? What's up? How is it? How is it? How is it? How is it? How are you all doing? Well, people, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope all of you are in good health. Love as always, you know? Yes, man. Well, this morning, my people, is the morning that I am on my way to pick up my results. Doctor's office called me yesterday that my result is ready. That's the lab results, which is the blood test. Them have a name for it. I can't remember the name. Where I do all those tests, you know, you test all of your organs, them, you test the prostate, all of them tests there. It have a name for it, but I don't remember the name. So the doctor office called me yesterday, said my results is ready. So I can come in when I went already. But you know, I don't understand the people. Hey, then doctor, you really rip off, you know. When I say rip off, I mean, alright, I do a test. I visit you and I have done a test, and after done the test, you send me to do some blood tests and stuff. The blood test result come in. You could have read the result and call me and pass on the information. You know, but what happened now, you know, I got go on now, people. I have to go in. So you know, when you go in now, you have to go pay for CR. Or pay for see if it's a E also. You know? You have to go pay to get the result. I use my head pan her 2 times already still, you know. Cause the first two times she do me it, make me go so boom and me call in and said, you know, I'm not able to come because I'm in the countryside, not coming up back until X, and I'm very curious about my results and whatsoever. And she read the result over the phone to me. I'm gonna catch her another time again. So probably now she decides to yeah, use your head. But me I say it shouldn't be so, people, honestly. It should have where you just, you know, your result come in, because normally the lab would have sent the result to the doctor. Whereas the lab is right on the same compound. So when the result comes, like what she do the referral for the result, they would carry the result over to PR office and stuff like that. She should just able to know, say, boy, she just read the result over the phone. But it's all about money. Yes, and as you can see now, I'm on this journey. I'm on Lindus Road. Yes, Lindus Road, right in the intersection of Kencott. So anybody overseas, so the place where we come from, Kencott, with the right on the place. Yeah, I'm heading towards the blood, you know about blood, the Jamaica Art Foundation. Yeah, I'm heading towards Jamaica Art Foundation because it's supposed to be 10 working days for the results, and when I check, today make what, 4 days into the Easter week and 1 full week last week. That will be 9 days, and then we have 4 days today, so 9 and 4 is 13 days, so it's 3 days. So I decided that if I don't get a call this morning, I would have called them. Now, as a matter of fact, I tried to call them from yesterday, but the phone was so busy, so I decided that, okay, as they light and them open, me I call them, and so said, so done, phone ring, and I got through, and them do the checks and stuff at the front desk and find out that, okay, the result is ready also. So I am heading there now. I am at the stoplight right at Lindus Road on Beachwood Avenue, right next to RJR, you know, one of our main radio station. See it over there, yeah, on your right hand side. So I am like a minute away from the Jamaica Art Foundation to pick up that result. So I'm just stick on tune. I'm gonna tell you now what's going on, you know, because I'm carrying go doctor with me. I'm carrying go do the heart test and everything. So why not carrying on and showing you the result? So stay tuned for it. Alright, people, I want to know what to do now. Just go on to the do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please, 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 please remember to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. You know? Yes, man. So, right in now, Jamaica Art Foundation. In a full of carrying. A good thing I know not me come do call him out of carry out that turn me off. Trust me, I know that's what child out the door. And this is the reason why when I come at them place early morning. Because if I come do nothing, I would have to reach here already. Oh boy. Yeah man, I would have to reach here already. I would have to reach here already. I can't get no parking space, people. Or I can't thief a park right at the corner there, so. Say I can't thief a park right here, so. I don't see no security over here, so they just thief a park here, so I pick up something, so. Stay tuned, people. Result? Right here, right?
On the back there?
No man, me just take down and me just carry it down.
Good morning. I come to pick up a result.
You have a receipt?
So I was on the road when I called because I was trying to get to you people from yesterday, but to no avail probably at the time. So I decided to call early this morning.
So here's your result.
Okay, people, result is in my hand. Me can't read it, you know, basically. So signing out now, my people. Can't expose public information. Okay, babe. Big respect to the people them. Alright people, my thief a park, so security come. So me I go move here now. Although me get through and him now talk to me still. Watch big people. Probably big say them, but I tell me say me can't park and see me there, me take a minute. Alright people, so at this minute now, I'm going to just use one stone. As me say, I knock the two birds. This minute I should, at this hour people, I should have my bed asleep, you know. But I just decide say I have to do this today. Yes, because you don't know. Result you and you want to know your result and get yourself comfortable. Despite you don't know. But as you don't know, you, at the same time, you can't healthy this month. And then the day after the month, worse you go do all the check-up and everything alright. The day after the check-up things start bro. So you just want to, you know, get your result and know what is what. I know say boy alright. You have time within time that you can do your next check-up and know say you're good. So I'm heading back to my side of the world. So stick and tune. When I reach the doctor, I'm going to see where I go on again. So I'm back on Lindus Road, heading back home. People, I try to take a peep on the result. See if I understand nothing where I go on here. Yeah man, I take a peep on it. See if I get the understanding. Because you know, look at the Chinese language mark on it. You know, then Chinese like shung chang with Dr. Love, right? Yeah. Although some code might depend on it when I don't understand, but I got to take a look and see. I remember the last time I did do it, if I did get the envelope seal or what, or I did look, I don't remember. You understand? So I got to take a look now. My people, I make sure I stop, see there. I can't go on nothing soccer, see there. This is supposed to be the result of the doctor, the cardiologist. You understand? And I can't read not one thing as I tell you say Chinese language. So I can't break no news in advance go no. I have to go just wait until I reach. You know? Yeah man. But we're confident of ourselves and thing, you know. Yeah man, we're confident of ourselves, but at the same time you can't too confident. You know, go check because remember you're not in control over how the body set up. And as we say, you have people who are eat right. And I go home leave people who not eat right. You have people who are eat right and still have stomach problem. And the man who not eat right don't have no stomach problem. So it's just all the thing the body built, you know. So you have to make sure you keep intact. And always remember at the same time, it's not everything the doctor can find. Because some things don't have no trace. Something not have no form of symptom. And when it gets worse, there is nothing can happen. It only probably can treat to keep you alive a little longer. You understand? But as we said, you know one of the greatest thing for me, I am not a smoker. And I am not a drinker. As me say, yes, I will drink a little alcohol occasionally. But forget upon like these young guys and man overall or men where I forget upon every day them have to drink this whole heap of alcohol. As they like them I drink beer, them I drink rum, them I drink special. And then the special now with the whole heap of caffeine. It's either boom, most of them cause most of them not drink no like natural juice with some rum, you know. Them I drink rum with things that have been caffeine. You understand? And them say alcohol and caffeine no good. And you gotta mix the two of them together. Too much alcohol and caffeine. And you gotta mix the two of them together. That make it worse. You understand? Anyway, people, me about to reach man at the park road, you know. So I'm like 3 minutes away, 5 minutes away based on the traffic. When we reach a Waltham stoplight. So you don't know. As me say, me kind of confident. So all is well. You know, up to even 90%. Because you get up in an age and the immune system kind of getting weaker, so certain things you might can't resist. But as I say, I'm glad me not smoke, me not drink, so my immune system supposed to even look stronger going up in age. Since you know you drink a lot, you know say that have a lot to do with your blood, your liver and all them something when you drink, you know, alcohol, you know, have a lot to do with your liver when you drink. Just like how smoking have a lot to do with your lungs. You understand? So be confident, say all is going to be well. I don't know, me not hide nothing from you. Despite me is not a person who will bring my personal business on social media. But if the doctor said the blood pressure too high or cholesterol level too high, that is nothing to come and talk about. That is nothing to share with you. You know, baby are born with blood pressure. Baby are born with sugar. Baby are born with high cholesterol. And one time gone as me, you hear me say, when you talk about them sitting there, you talk about people in a age, old people. So anyway, the road look clear ahead of me. So the doctor's office died right in front of my eyesight here. So we are going to do the do you know. So while me I do the do people, who no go on do the do, me I hope that in there no full. Who no mind me go in there, I want somebody in there. Trust me. Man, they beat me to the one parking right here, so me I go bend it up here, so now I put my back on. I don't like park facing. I must can move quick if any emergency. So we are park face out, people. So stay tuned with me. You know call me yesterday? I rather you call me and she. You should know on the work yesterday. Why don't you call me though? And you know, so when you call me, just about I try to get in touch with the Art Foundation to get my results and couldn't get through to them. And this morning now, me make sure I call them early. Yes, people. Well, my time next. Waiting and dark. Afternoon already, Doc. Good morning.
Oh, I wasn't even looking at the clock, huh? How are you?
Not too bad. We come for know what going for results.
Results, okay. Let's see. You're feeling well. And your glucose fast. These are all your results, okay? This is a range. If it falls within the range, it's normal. If it falls outside of this range, not normal. So this is your sugar test, your HbA1c, your glucose fasting, blood urine nitrogen and creatinine. These are your kidney tests and they're normal. These are your electrolytes, part of the kidney test, and they're okay. Uric acid is what tells us if you're going to have gouty arthritis or not. It's okay. This is your liver function test. We look at your protein, albumin, globulins, alkaline phosphatase, all these enzymes, and all these are okay. This is your liver from hair to hair. Then we come and we look at your cholesterol, a different kind of cholesterol. Your low density cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, it's within the normal range. Your total cholesterol is in the normal range. Triglyceride, which is another one, normal. Your HDL, which is the good cholesterol, is okay. All right? And your calcium and phosphorus are okay. So all those are good. Then we come around, we look at your prostate. And your total PSA is 3.24 and it is normal. Okay? We look at your hemoglobin, that's the strength of your blood, 15.6, which is pretty good. Packed cell volume is a little high because your blood count is so high. Most people, it's between, for males, it would be like 12 to 13, 14. Yours is 15.6.
And what cost that?
Because you're eating so much rich food.
And what is rich food, Doc?
Like you're eating a lot of proteins, maybe peas, beans, meats, vegetables, all those things. You may be eating iron content, leafy green vegetables, I don't know, but it is 15.6, which is pretty high. Okay, good. So that takes care of your red blood cells. We come to your white blood cells. Your neutrophils, which is one of your white blood cells, and was a little low, and your lymphocytes. If you had a little cold, cough, or anything like that, we're going to get a high and low in your white blood cells. Monocytes, eosinophil, basophils are good. This is your ESR to tell us whether or not your body is in good shape, if you're prone to infection or cancer, and it is normal. ESR, what number you see here? 6?
6.
And the normal is 0 to 20, is that so?
Okay.
We look at your platelets, it's your clotting factor to see if you get a cut, if your blood will clot or you'll bleed out. It is normal, 144, 140 to 440, so you're within the normal range. You don't have sickle cell, it is negative. Then they do your stools to see whether or not there's blood in the stools. There was none. They did your VDRL to see if you have any syphilis. There was none. Then we come to your urine analysis. They looked at your urine and the specific gravity was normal. There was no bilirubin in the urine. Still looking at your urine, there was no red blood cells, white blood cells, or anything like that in the urine. No crystals, no protein, no sugar, no ketones, no bacterial infection. So it is good. Okay? Platelets normal, red blood cells normal. So it's an excellent test. You couldn't ask for better. How old are you?
My eye, Doctor.
You have to pick that up. They're not very
It come already. She not carry it around. Me give it to her.
You gave it to her? Oh,
Yeah.
where is it? She stick it in the knife.
My eye, the age part frown. Only there's some cut out. You don't notice me that I nothing frown.
But
Me-
you don't. But you have to tell us your age. Tell your doctors your age.
Yeah,
medication,
me tell that my
your
age. But me not tell them my age.
You're not telling
No,
them.
me not tell them my
It's all right.
age.
It's all
But
right. It's all right.
me carrying with me, I'm telling you everything. Remember, me don't know what doctor go read, you know. Me don't know where they on the paper, so she could have said me have this and me have that and I wanna go here. I wanna know from it do it, me I go post it. Alright? So E.C.G time now. So wanna listen up. Wanna hear that a while ago? Alright.
Lord have mercy. Oh no. Alright, it's okay. Sinus rhythm with non-specific T-wave changes. So that's not a bad ECG at all. So you're good. Don't worry. You're good.
So when I feel a little like like the heart a flutter sometimes, what cause that? Like a little stick like.
Well, if you feel it beating a little fast sometimes.
No, not really fast, but sometimes I feel like a little pain run across the heart.
It might not be your heart, it could be your stomach as well too. Okay.
We over here?
We can mix up heart and stomach pains sometimes. Okay. Have your meals on time. Your ECG is normal. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
You're good. Go about your business now.
Alright, doctor. So people, when we come, that they say the pressure they kind of high, and when we go do the ECG, them they also ECG, them they also tell me the same thing. So me I make that check back the level of the pressure now, see if it gone down or the same place or it gone up. Alright? Exercise boy the part there beat me the exercise.
I'm giving you medications.
So people, doctor, it higher than before or it is the same or drop a bit?
140/90. Let me tell you what theirs was. It is now 140/90, 151/104. Maybe you was a little anxious when you were doing the test. Okay?
So
your blood test is excellent. I don't know where they get this pressure from. Cholesterol is good. It could be anxiety or stress.
Me no stress. The only thing we have right now is that, as me tell you, the exercise part, me feel that me just shorter exercise. Me unfit bad.
You have to do the exercise.
I can tell you that me unfit bad. Me sleep too much.
Lifestyle changes. You have to do the exercise. You're too young for me to be keeping you on medications for pressure. You understand?
Alright people, that's my pressure up. I don't know the reason why, because I'm not stressed. I'm very comfortable. So I don't know. Probably the work for salt food, yes. Probably that.
And you're not exercising.
I'm not exercising, right? So
you're gonna cut down all oils, gravy, salty foods because we have to protect your heart. And you can do something about the pressure. Get up out of that bed and exercise. Okay,
and what type of exercise would you require that?
Walk. Walking, brisk walking. Because I don't see you going to the gym.
Okay. Alright, thanks.
Take care, give that to nurse.
Yeah.
Nurse!
Nurse!
No, God, that did ya chat me out.
No.
Your mother, that did ya chat me out.
No, you know the video that one.
Talk. Yeah, where you say for the
Chat.
You want me to put up on screen? Alright.
Chat.
Chat. These are my nice nurse here.
Chat.
Yeah, see them there? My nice nurse. Alright? You tell him. And tell him say what?
He's not very nice.
I am not very nice.
No, you're not very nice.
You see it after me just a big up you say you're nice, you let me
You
down.
give us trouble every time.
Like, nurse, I give you trouble too?
Every time.
What type of, no, make them know what kind of trouble you not come in and want them. What's that different type of trouble? So me come and cuss on them something there.
No, there's only one trouble is here. One, and we all knows. Kaya doctor does add that trouble inside there.
Me not know me not stress, me not affect over nothing. So I go that's why the pressure up. Me comfortable.
Very happy.
Yeah, me comfortable. Just like me not exercise and me sleep a lot. And she say that's one of the things I'm probably the grease and the whole of salty foods and stuff. So me have to go adjust a little bit here now, you know. But me I tell you, people, that bad. Hey, when that done read the result, that said to me say, come out now man, me done with you man. Me don't want to see you back until another year time.
When I told her you were just coming to talk about the result.
When me go say to Doc, say Doc, you know say me want you test back the pressure people. Because when me come and you test the pressure, you say it high. And when me go do the ECG, them say it high. So me must come back to you and make you prescribe some for me and whatsoever. When that go for the machine and draw the machine for me people, me I get up back now I say alright, me I come out. Doc said to me say no. Doc said to me say no. Doc Doc said to me say no. You got to give nurse something outside here. Doc just draw for the receipt book people and ready for me. A debit, you know, so my you go credit a debit. See it there, my card no fail me. I want to tell the people them say my card no fail me, nurse.
It did not fail.
Alright. Talk over them here.
It's not fail. We didn't say
Okay,
that.
so see receipt here? Yeah. So they tap it and it never take it up. Alright people. Alright, so me not still like some of them will come and back out card and card fail them. Alright, my card never fail people. See it there?
That will never happen.
So yes my people, me I leave that office now. As on the ear, me come telling you, you know, on the ear everything. I make sure that listen keenly because that they don't their mask and stuff. So when I say me not hide nothing. Alright. I'm confident people, I'm confident. As on the ear doctor, my pressure iron. Me just see that I don't sleep and stuff like that when me asleep, and as me always say, if me no short of nothing else, me lack of fitness. Me need some exercise. And that's exactly what she are saying. Plus probably me eating too much greasy food and salt food, so I might have to just cut down a little bit on the salt. So nobody come tell me now, you know, see, I don't know if I season them where you use, you know, because I don't want to stay. But when I say some of my doctor and my nurse them run it off, yeah man. Now follow them and them say me get trouble. Another type of rude trouble, you know? Yeah man, just like when I reach a while ago, me I try to trick them and tell them say, come reach about 11 o'clock, you know, me I try to trick them and tell them say, here what? My house so much go 11:15, you know. Them say, sit down and wait man. Because you're going there so no one doctor for go read result and more than one result you have, and yeah man, them type of trouble them. I always come sometime and want to tell them to push me in fast and things. But life is a mission people, that is the result. It's 100% good away from the blood pressure. The pressure want go down. You know, my pressure want go down. As I say, I'm not afraid of nothing, people. I'm stress free. But that's why I ask her whether cost that like I'm stress free and thing. And here she explain, probably too much salty foods, need some exercise, and cut down on the greasy food them and stuff like that. So bless up on yourself. I go home and I say I can hold 2 hours sleep before I jump up back and go pick up my friend's son. After I pick him up from school, I just go back to my bed, go lie down till about 5 o'clock when I'm my business hours. 4 o'clock normally, but like when I'm on the road from mine, I go add a little, you know, a little, probably another hour to eat. But you see by 7 o'clock people later, 8 o'clock, you see the morning sleep here when I miss, it I go just tumble down for me like a ton of brick. Once I miss my morning sleep, that's how it treat me. But big up on yourself. Thanks to stay with me on the journey to doctor, to E.C.G to pick up my, to the Art Foundation to pick up my result and going back home. So bless up. Thanks for watching. You don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch your ads. Continue to support both of my channels. You don't know, Speak My Mind Entertainment Life is a Mission TV. And remember that in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy, YouTube link is there. And in the community, you have Tamika Douglas TV, which is also, I am asking you, please remember, the move is 10 subscription a week for the 2 channels. You know, I want to just know, I want to subscribe to my channel, who not subscribe yet. But for those 2 channels, I'm just asking you for 10 subscription each week. For who don't subscribe as yet, for who are all the new subscribers who is on board with me here, you just go over there and subscribe to Tamika Douglas TV, who is here from day 1, day 2, day 3. If you're not subscribed yet, just subscribe. I just want to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can move along, because I can't crowd the thing and continue begging to subscribe to 5, 6, 7 different channels. You understand? So I just want to get them off with them 1,000 subscribers and them go work on them watch hours. I may just take a little break, you know, and go and promote myself for another month, and then probably somebody reach out now. Somebody reach out to me now, but me can't crowd the thing. Me can't crowd it, so the person who did call me and I beg me a shout out. The shout out I go come, just wait, but me just can't crowd the thing, and me can't just get up and beg the people to subscribe to channel. And at the same time, me only can ask them they must do it. But I am willing to give the shout out. But remember now, when me give the shout out, me can't hold nobody phone or hold nobody hand and tell them to subscribe. You understand? Them subscribe, them like what you have to offer or whatsoever. Yeah, me can't force them. But bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. I them actually a lot of people.